me start the recording. Okay, the court is calling cause number 2016 DCM 0499. This is a hearing on a motion filed by the Attorney General's office entitled a motion to modify and to confirm child support arrearage. Parties in this case are Alexander Ledesma and Kathleen Benavides. Ms. Benavides is present before me at this time. Mr. Alexander Ledesma was served with citation back on September the 25th. This matter is called for a final hearing today, January 5th, 2021, at 8 o'clock. It is now 8:20. I'm sorry, Mr. Ledesma is not present before me. And let's see. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the Associate Judge for the Title 40 Court here in El Paso, Texas. And we are appearing on this matter based on a Zoom application since we cannot appear in court due to the current pandemic crisis that's going on. However, the courts have allowed us to conduct remote hearings, and we're doing so in this through this Zoom application. I am recording the evidence on the computer-generated system. That is the official record of this proceeding here today. With all that being said, then let's go ahead and proceed. Understand Mr. Ledesma is not present. Is the state, what is the announcement of state in this matter? Ms. Kaplan.
Your Honor, the state is ready to proceed at this time.
And Ms. Benavides, are you also ready to proceed today, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, if I can have you raise your right hand, please, so I can swear you in. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You may lower your hand. Go ahead, Ms. Kaplan.
The state calls Ms. Benavides as a witness.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Kathleen Nicole Benavides.
And are you aware of where the other parent is at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
And where is he?
He's in prison.
Do you know how long he has been in prison?
The last time I talked to his daughter's mom, it wasn't, she told me that he's been there since 2019.
Do you know when he's going to be released?
The last time I spoke with his daughter's mom, she said that he was gonna be out in June of this year, 2021.
Do you know if he has any income despite being incarcerated?
No, I don't, ma'am.
And how is your child insured?
He is in with Medicaid with Superior Health Plan.
And do you have any safety concerns regarding Mr. Ledesma?
Yes, I do, ma'am. I have a little safety concern is that since his past history with me and this with his ex-girlfriend and his brother, it's just a safety for my son of that he won't hurt my son.
So for this reason, you feel that it's in your best interest and your child's best interest for your address and other information to be kept private?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, the state requests that the court take judicial notice of the prior order in this case, which is the final order establishing the parent-child relationship, signed on or about August 24th of 2016, which did contain a non-disclosure finding, Your Honor. The state requests that judicial notice be taken and that the non-disclosure finding be continued.
Okay. Court will take judicial notice of the underlying court order of 2016. Go ahead.
Thank you. And ma'am, have you received any payments directly from Mr. Ledesma that are not reflected on the financial activity report?
No, ma'am.
So the payments made to the child support office are the only payments that you've received on the case. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The state offers the financial activity report as state's exhibit 1 into evidence, Your Honor.
All right, that's, go ahead and send it to me through the email, and once I receive it, I'll take a notice of the financial report. Go ahead, Ms. Kaplan.
Nothing further from the state at this time, Your Honor.
All right. What is the state's recommendation on this matter?
Your Honor, due to the fact that Mr. Ledesma is incarcerated and no income source is known despite that incarceration, the state is requesting that the child support and medical support be modified to 0, and that Ms. Benavides be ordered to apply for and maintain government insurance for the benefit of the child in this case. The state further requests a judgment be taken on the child support arrears owed as of December 31st, 2020, in the amount of $12,294.18, and that judgment be repaid at a reasonable amount of $100 a month beginning February 1st, 2021. The state further requests that a judgment be taken on the medical arrears owed in the amount of $25 a month on an arrears judgment of $556.21 as of December 31st, 2020, and that $25 a month repayment also begin on February 1st, 2021, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, based on the evidence presented here today, I will grant the modification setting child support and medical support at 0 for the time being, due to the fact that Mr. Ledesma is currently incarcerated. However, the court will grant a judgment for both child support and medical support arrears and set payments on those judgments as recommended. I will further grant the request that will grant the request for non-disclosure of any of his Benavides information not to be included in the court order. Anything else in this matter, Ms. Kaplan?
No, ma'am. Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right, okay, Ms. Kaplan, go ahead and prepare the order, send it to me, and then I'll sign it. Okay. Thank you for your appearance today. That concludes our hearing in your case.
Thank you so much.
I see Mr. Knopf.
Yes, our non-custodial parent got disconnected. I think he's in the waiting room.
Okay, I can barely hear you.
Oh, I think our non-custodial parent got disconnected. He should be in the waiting room.
Oh, okay. Let me see. That was Mr. Castro.
Yes, sir.
Well, he hasn't signed back in. Unless there's somebody called in. Let me see. Maybe that's him. Oh, I see Mr. Aguinaga's in the waiting room too.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Mr. Aguinaga.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And the brand new year. Everything, the books are clean. Everything gets started all over again.
Right.
Okay. Let me find out who this individual is. The person that called in on, I guess it's a iPhone. B60 Thin Q5G. Can you tell me who you are, please? You're not muted. Is that you, Mr. Castro? He's not responding. Mr. Castro, is that you, sir? Person that called in on the iPhone 5G, thank you. Can you tell me who you are, please? Looks like he's still trying to, whoever that is, connect. I think Ms. Benavides is back. Ms. Benavides, can you help me, ma'am? Okay, I can't,
Are we finished with the report, sir?
yes, ma'am, you're done. I mean,
Okay,
you're free
thank
to
you.
go, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. Take care.
Mr. Douglas?
Yes, the person called in on a thank you 5G. Tell me who you are, please.
It's Edgar Castro.
Okay, hold on a second. I can barely hear you, sir.
It's Edgar Castro. I lost my signal right now.
Oh, Mr. Castro, you're back?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That would be Mr. Edward Castro. Mr. Canalta, do you need to talk to Mr. Castro or move you back into the breakout room?
We could move back into the breakout room. I think we were verging on an agreement.
Okay. All right. You all were back in breakout room number 1. So, Mr. Castro, you're back in breakout room number 1, please.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Miss Kaplan, the only person that signed in is on that entry adjustment is Miss Alvarez.
Yes, Your Honor. May I submit the order for the court signature then, Your Honor?
Go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and just bring in Miss, Miss Alvarez is in the waiting room. I'm just gonna advise her that I'm gonna go ahead and make that order. Miss Alvarez?
Yes.
Okay. I still don't have, this is the judge that's hearing the case. I still don't have anybody, I don't have Mr. Alvarez or his attorney, either Mr. Pease or Ms. Hatchorn. And then I'm going to ask the Attorney General to go ahead and submit the order without those.
That's fine. We both agreed to it. Again, we tried to sign it last night and it wasn't giving us that option. But when we looked at the document, our signatures are on there. So I don't know.
Okay.
But no, that's fine. Submit it. I mean, I'm okay.
Okay. So you said you did sign it and Mr. Alvarez signed it, or?
Well, we were looking at it last night to sign it. We went over it. But it didn't give us the option to sign. But when we looked at it where the signatures go, it already had a signature. So
Who's the we that you're talking about?
me and Mr. Alvarez.
Okay. All right. Then, and okay, Miss Kaplan, do you have the order back signed?
Yes, it should have forwarded to Your Honor via DocuSign once the parties did sign. I can resubmit the order to the court again for signature. Let me go into my DocuSign.
Yes, go ahead and resubmit it because I don't have anything in my inbox on this order. So go ahead and submit it. And once I do receive it, I'll go ahead and sign it and it'll get filed. Okay. All right, Ms. Alvarez, then that's where we're at on your case. Then now,
That's fine.
once I receive the order, I'll sign it. And the order will be filed and copies will be sent to you and to Mr. Alvarez through his attorney.
Okay, so we'll be getting it again to re-sign or something?
Oh, ma'am, it'll have my signature and that's the final order.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Am I clear to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. All right, so we're just waiting on Mr. Knopf, who's handling the Castro Carranza non-agreed. Okay.